So what do you think of when you think of your core? Yes, often most of us think of our stomach muscles or maybe our center in general. But beyond your center of gravity or the abdominal wall, the core are the muscles closest to your bones. So if you just rub your hand, you'll feel that the skin has the most sensation. Your superficial muscles then have the second most sensation and give us the most neural feedback. But as you go deeper toward the bones, you get less neural feedback. So the deep core muscles, the muscles closest to the bones that hug in on the bones and protect our joints, we barely feel at all. So my recommendation in your yoga practice is to make your yoga practice feel effortless. When it feels effortless, you're relaxing the superficial muscles and allowing a deep undercurrent of strength to upwell. You're allowing the deep core muscles closest to the bones to engage.